we were sent this dog ramp for our review, and I'm currently trying to teach my Frenchie how to go up and down it. It is this, good job, Walter. Oh, that's awesome. So yes, I am using some treats to bribe him, but he's never used one of these before. So he's actually having some problems with his hips, and I don't want him, he loves jumping up and down off our couch, this bench, our bed. So having one of these is actually going to be so helpful. So it's really easy just to kind of take the time to train him. He's really got the down. Come on, good boy. So I know right now, you know, of course, it's going to be a lot of treats, but soon he's going to know how to use it, and it will be great. So this thing is fantastic. So it's got some grips on here, so while he's coming up it, his claws can kind of dig into here, so it's not going to be slippery for him. It is a really great wood structure. And then let me show you on this side, it is adjustable. So that's what's going to make it great. So I can just use one, and I can actually just kind of bring this around, like before we go to bed, I can bring it in the bedroom, and then I can change it. So you just kind of pick the rung that you need depending on the height. So I can put this in front of the couch, I can put it in front of the bed. It even comes with these sticker grips here on the side. So actually at first we didn't have those on here, and we were finding when he was jumping up, it was kind of slipping on the side, and then he was getting too scared. So actually putting these up here and down on the bottom has made a huge difference. So I love the fact that it is adjustable. You can bring this around, and then honestly, he's not going to be jumping up and down things. Let's try without a treat. Come on, Wally. Come on. Yeah, this thing is awesome. So if you need one, highly recommend.